Hello, my lovely viewers. Assalamu alaikum. This is Muwaj English Tour once again. We have come here after a long time, and I would like to tell you that how are you doing at present. I hope that you're doing great. You're also doing great. And let's go to main topic. This is very special day, not only to me but also all of people, especially Muslim people. Just watching this video. And today is Eid. This year's name is Eid al-Fitr. In this day, we can eat anything, and especially fast food. We can visit any kind of beautiful place, and I have come here to enjoy this environment, and I'm so happy to come here. And today, after going 30 Ramadan, we have got this day, and we feel so very proud. And now I would like to give the opportunity to Muwaj.
Yes, thank you very much. So guys, as my Maliha told you, we are having a very, very great time, and very soon we will make our salat, the Idul Fitr salat. So I think we are having very great time, and as you can see, there are so many shops as you can see behind us. So we are having very great time because in a year just we get 2 days as our Eid. So today is Idul Fitr, so I think it is you are having very great time. So let's see what is happening in this Eid while staying here.
So that's it for today. Hope that you enjoyed by this video.
See you soon on another video.
Till then, take care yourself. Pray for us so that we can improve our spoken English.
So bye bye. That's it, guys. See you later.
Happy
Eid Mubarak.